Oh god.
There's something behind me too. Before.
Okay.
Yeah, they're gone.
They're gone.
Yeah, they're gone.
They're gone.
There's no light.
There was one, there was two that looked like a fire for a little bit.
Then a perfect circle.
Those howls that were coming from over there too.
And over here.
Look left, go left. A little more left.
Oh, look at that. I think you said it was up there.
Lost it. I can't do this shit.
Yeah, it's hard.
It's running too many. I'm running too many things. Oh, it's good. Something's coming up behind us.
Yeah.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
Yep.